Multi-container communication. Modern applications consist of multiple services. Containers must communicate with one another. Docker networking enables service communication. Multi-container architectures are standard in production. Why multi-container applications? Benefits include easier maintenance, better scalability, independent deployments, improved reliability. Applications are divided into specialized services. Example application architecture: online store, front-end container, back-end API container, database container. Each service performs a specific role. The communication challenge. Containers receive dynamic IP addresses. IP addresses can change after restarts. Hard-coded IPs are unreliable. Services need a better discovery mechanism. Introducing service discovery. Containers discover each other automatically. Applications use service names instead of IP addresses. Docker handles address resolution. Communication becomes more reliable. Understanding DNS. Internet example: Google.com. IP address. Docker uses the same concept internally for containers. Docker DNS explained. Container name. Docker DNS. Container IP address. Applications communicate using names. Real-world example: database container, MySQLDB. Web application container. Web app. Web application connects using MySQLDB. No IP address required. Benefits of container names: easier configuration, better portability, simpler maintenance, automatic service discovery. Creating a custom network. Command: Docker network create app network. Creates a dedicated network for container communication. Why use custom networks? Better isolation, automatic DNS, cleaner architecture, improved security. Recommended for multi-container applications. Running a database container. Command: Docker run d \. Name MySQLDB \. Network app network \. MySQL. Database joins the network. Running a web application. Command: Docker run d \. Name web app \. Network app network \. My web app. Application joins the same network. How communication works. Web application. MySQLDB. Database container. Docker automatically resolves the name. Network DNS service. Every custom Docker network includes internal DNS, service registration, name resolution, network routing. Benefits of Docker DNS: no hard-coded IPs, automatic discovery, easier scaling, simpler deployments. Application configuration example: database host, MySQLDB, database port 3306. Applications connect using service names. Multi-container workflow. Step 1. Create network. Step 2. Start database. Step 3. Start application. Step 4. Communicate. Typical web application stack. Front-end. Back-end API. Database. Each service runs independently. Why separate services? Easier updates. Better troubleshooting. Resource isolation. Independent scaling. Scaling services. Web application. Instance 1. Instance 2. Instance 3. All communicate with shared backend services. Shared network architecture. Frontend. Backend. Database. Cache. All containers communicate through Docker networking. Adding Redis to the stack. Frontend. Backend. Redis cache. Database. Redis improves application performance. Benefits of Redis caching. Faster responses. Reduced database load. Improved scalability. Better user experience. Advantages of multi-container design. Service isolation. Independent scaling. Better reliability. Easier maintenance. Network isolation. Network A. Web application. Network B. Database. Different networks improve security. Secure application architecture. Public network. Frontend. Private network. Database. Sensitive services remain protected. Inspecting network details. Command. Docker network inspect app network. Displays. Connected containers. Network configuration. IP assignments. Common communication problems. Containers on different networks. Incorrect service names. Missing containers. Misconfigured applications. Troubleshooting checklist. Verify network membership. Check container names. Confirm service availability. Inspect network settings. Production example. E-commerce platform. Frontend. Backend API. Redis cache. MySQL database. All services communicate through Docker networking. Managing complexity. As applications grow. More containers. More networks. More configuration. Manual management becomes difficult. Docker Compose preview. Docker Compose can create networks. Start containers. Configure communication. Simplify deployment. Best practices. Use custom networks. Use meaningful container names. Avoid hard-coded IP addresses. Separate services properly. Limit network exposure. Common beginner mistakes. Using container IPs. Forgetting custom networks. Incorrect service names. Combining too many services. Interview question. Question. Why should applications use container names instead of IP addresses? Answer. Container IP addresses can change, while container names remain consistent and are automatically resolved by Docker DNS. Key takeaways and lesson summary. Modern applications use multiple containers. Docker networking enables communication. Docker DNS provides service discovery. Container names replace hard-coded IP addresses. Custom networks improve security and organization. Multi-container architecture is standard in production.